Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Tesla Model S tire. This process is unique due to the vehicle's specific jacking points and battery placement. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a sturdy jack, a lug wrench, and wheel chocks. Safety is paramount, so always park your Tesla on a firm, level surface and engage the parking brake before you begin any work. Before lifting your vehicle, place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground to prevent any accidental rolling. Next, you'll need to retrieve the specialized jacking pucks, which are typically found in the trunk or frunk. These pucks are crucial for safely lifting the car without damaging the battery pack. Carefully locate the 4 specific jacking points on the Model S undercarriage. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, speaking of keeping things fresh, life's truly too short for a stinky car. Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling amazing. You can find the link for that and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once the jacking pucks are securely in place, position your floor jack directly beneath one of them. Ensure the jack's pad makes full contact with the puck. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Continue lifting until the tire you intend to change is about 1 inch off the ground, allowing for easy removal and replacement. With the car slightly lifted, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts, but do not remove them yet. Once the tire is fully off the ground, remove all the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Place the spare tire onto the wheel studs, then hand tighten the lug nuts. Finally, slowly lower the Tesla until the tire is back on the ground, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.